Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we are talking about 2008 to 2017. From 2008 to 2017, Audi, some Volkswagen also maybe have something like this, but this is Audi A4, A6, A5. This is the remote for it. It could be some differences here, but this key is almost the same. Even Volkswagen also have something near to this one. You put it inside the slot, it have a place here. How to replace the battery when the battery die, or if the battery die for your car, what are you gonna do? First, your key is gonna be like this. Some of them you have to put it in a slot to start the car. Some of them it is proximity. Proximity, it have more antenna and have a different frequency from car to car. Now this is your key. If your car battery die, you want to go inside your car and battery dead, what you need to do is you're going to turn this key here and you push this button. As soon as you push this button, you pull it. Okay, you push it and then you pull it. This one will come out. You're going to go to the door, you put the key and turn it. This one will not do anything. It's only for emergency opening. This one is done. Second thing, suppose the battery die. Most of the battery is CR2025. The 2025 is the battery. Also read, maybe inside it written on the board, but usually it take this key. Now how I'm going to change this key? Very simple. You see this one here is to take the key out. When you take the key out, as I showed you before, because this one coming here. So when you push it in, you see here, this one come and go here. So if you want to take it out, you push that one inside and you take it out. Now it's out. See here, turn it this side. You go in height here, you see here. Also see there is like a spring. Go down. You gotta push it and pull it slowly. Here's the key. You don't need to take the other stuff out, but I show you how it is. This is when you have like this, comfort access. If you don't have it, it's just like that. So buttons have to face here. You push it in and leave it there. Your battery, look here. If you are not sure, as soon as you take it, take a picture so that you're not going to put the battery this way. Also have a plus sign here. And that plus sign have to face this plus sign. So you just take it, don't push it this way. No. You see this door opening here? So you're going to put it this way and push it in. Be sure that it's sitting good. That's it. And you're going to look for the place here. Have to be like this in the back, battery facing down. Go like this. And that's it. You're good to go. Then you put here. Sometimes you have to push. Light will come here. It shows you that the battery is strong. And that's it. I did not change no battery because this is only illustration. But here it is. Always have a spare key. And thank you for watching my video, and see you in another video. Thank you. Please subscribe, share and like.